The Clarke SHhH Air Max 50-150 air compressor is one of a range of Clarke compressors offering very quiet operation. It's almost silent when running, with an ultra-low noise level of up to 62 decibels, which is equivalent to a normal conversation. This great feature means that the SHhH Air Max 50-150 can be particularly suitable for use in close proximity to places such as offices, studios, laboratories and small workshops, where noise would either be unacceptable or an annoying distraction. The SHhH Air Max 50-150 features 7 cubic feet or 200 litres per minute air displacement from a twin compressor pump unit, and with its CE-certified 50-litre air receiver, it has a maximum working pressure of up to 8 bar or 116 psi. It is ideal for domestic to light industry spraying, inflating, testing, blowing, stapling and pneumatics. The SHhH Air Max 50-150 offers great performance and a high build quality. It's easily portable too, thanks to the large wheels and robust handle. It's powered by a quiet 1.5 horsepower 1100 watt 230 volt direct drive motor, and it features thermal overload protection, tank and outlet pressure gauges, twin outlets and a pressure regulator. The SHhH Air Max 50-150 is the ideal choice for DIY, hobby or light commercial users who are looking to reduce noise pollution without compromising on quality and performance.